Hi, this is Ross from Protect Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we're in Newport Richey. We're over at Gulf Harbors, and what we're going to do is we're going to do a 2-car with baseboard today. So we're going to come on up and over this into the doorway. I think we'll probably grab that first course, run the baseboard along that. This slab seems to be in pretty good condition. So what we're going to do with this job, it's kind of the way it flows. We're going to go over the lead-in edge onto the apron. So we're going to grind that all out and clean that up quite a bit. So we're still getting set up, but we're going to start this job in about 10 minutes. Okay, so now we're well into the grinding process. As you can see here, we've ground the edges. We're going right up to the wall. That's what Lauren's doing with the hand grinder. You can see the back stem wall, the small stem wall has also been ground back because that's going to be applied. Now here's the floor grinder. And what we're doing is simultaneously removing the previous coating. We're also profiling the floor. So what we're doing is we're scratching that floor up well. We're leaving lots of dimples and sandpaper finish, so that our epoxy is going to get a really good adhesion to the floor. Okay, so our prep and repairs are done. We've cleaned up the apron. We rounded over the apron leading into the lead-in edge. And we then cleaned up and rounded that over. Very few repairs on this job. There's actually some really good concrete. It's nice and hard. Really no repairs. Here's our lead-in edge or back edge prepped in. That's going to get chipped in. So we're going to have this floor in about 15 minutes. And this color is Nightfall. This is the UV stable polyaspartic top coat being applied. So what we're going to do is we're going to put that down and we're going to go east-west, and then we're going to come back once we do square by square, and then we're going to go north-south. Okay, here we are. We're all finished up with our 2-car. So this was a full grinding as you saw in the previous segments. With some repairs. Put the baseboard in along the back edge. Just finished putting the polyaspartic top coat on. Color is Nightfall. Job looks great. Thanks for watching.
Pro Tech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. Pro Tech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.